Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause my loves, good morning. Time is 10:20. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I just finished doing my workout, like sweating. Yeah. This is me. So this might be either 1, a week in my life, 2, few days in my life, 3, weekend vlog. But today is Monday anyway, so I don't know how this vlog is gonna intake. I just decided to start a vlog. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this particular one. So right now I want to go and rearrange my room, and yeah, I'll take you guys along. Right. So guys, I am done arranging that room. I want to make lunch. This is 12:26. First of all, I want to make oatmeal and egg. I'm eating 2 eggs and oatmeal with chai seed and a little bit of almond seed. Yes. So for later, like this is the first meal I'm having today. Then for later, maybe around like kind 4, I'll be eating rice and beans. But my rice and beans is different because I always make my beans plenty than my rice. For example, now this is my cup. If you know, you know, an African home. So this cup represents my beans. And where's the last one cup? Looking for the other. And this smaller cup represents my rice. So 1 full cup of beans and 1 small cup of rice. Yes, why? Because I'm eating white rice. I don't have red rice. I always say talk about red rice or brown rice. Those are the best rice to if you don't want to eat white rice. It's either red rice or brown rice. But since I have white rice in the house, I'll use this cup. Yes, this cup. And for my beans, because I will need more protein to stay lean. I'm using this cup. And for the food, like for the chicken, for the chicken, for the sauce in the the pepper sauce, there's no protein inside. So I think either I'm going to like fried chicken, like not fry, like chicken breast, like cut it in cubes and stir fry it, eat it, or I eat another egg. Sometimes I like taking 4 eggs in a day, which is around, I think, 120. I mean 24 grams of protein. But let's check ChatGPT. ChatGPT will tell us 4 or let's do Google. Let's go Google. 4 eggs in a day is how many grams of protein? Nonsense. 4 eggs in a day is how many grams of protein? Yeah, that's it. Searching. What I put searching? Okay, so eating 4 eggs a day provide you 24 to 26 grams of protein. The exact amount of protein depending entirely to the size of egg you eat. Okay, so small egg is 19.2 gram, medium 22, large 25, extra large. They get extra large and jumbo large. But anyway, it says right here. So that's that. Anyway, Yeah, guys, so this I always see videos of some, actually on Instagram, where um some content creators that that their stomach is lean, and maybe they have gone through the whole changing of diet and the rest, the way they are diet restriction people. So they always say it's not about eating whole egg, it's about eating whole egg, mix it with egg whites, because the whole egg is more of I don't know this how they put it, say more of calorie. So eat whole egg, then eat more of egg whites, okay, to balance your protein. Let me know the comment. Alright guys, I want to do video for Facebook. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later.
Lifetime of 5 seconds trying to trace sadness hidden in the lines. It's printed on your face. It's printed on your face. Got you from the airport yesterday. Call me out for staring, but I don't mind, 'cause I wipe your tears dry, hold your Levi's, clean the mess up in my room. If it meant knowing you, I'd run the street lights, watch my dreams die, change the colors of my truth. If it meant knowing you. Sitting at a cafe down on Queen, said you find just tired eyes. We don't have to leave till they take away the sea. You could show me all your burdens, because you know I have them too. So I don't mind. Wipe your tears dry, hold your Levi's, clean the mess up in my room. If it meant knowing you, I'd run the street light, watch my dreams die, change the colors of my truth. If it meant knowing that you're healing, and it's hurt that you're feeling, 'cause it hurt means you're getting it out. But for now, wipe your tears dry, fold your Levi's, clean the mess up in my room. If it meant knowing you, I'd run the street lights, watch my dreams die, change the colors of my truth. If it meant knowing.
Give me a pick. Okay. my lunch stroke dinner. A cup of rice, 1 full egg and half egg without the yolk inside. I think this is meat that is here. Yes, a cup of white rice and beans. This is the cup I used to measure my white rice and beans. This is 1 cup 2/50. So this is what I am eating. Yeah, but the beans is plentier than the rice.